For years, choosing a factory off-roader meant accepting a massive physical footprint. You get the aggressive stance and the raw power, but taking that ultra-wide chassis into a dense forest, tightly packed trees, and narrow boulder clearances turn all that capability into a massive liability. On the other end of the spectrum, luxury SUVs offer incredible comfort, but delicate leathers and pristine carpets are often entirely incompatible with the outdoors. They are built for the road, making them actively hostile to muddy boots and heavy gear. In 2020, Ford revealed a concept vehicle called the Wildland Fire Rig. It was built to test whether drivers wanted a functional middle ground between raw off-road aggression and high-end utility. The public reaction was immediate, with enthusiasts calling for a production version. That concept was inspired directly by Filson, a brand with over a century of history outfitting the actual men and women digging fire lines and working in these rugged, charred landscapes. Ford took that demand and engineered a direct response, the production Bronco Filson Edition. They designed this vehicle specifically to eliminate the trade-off between trail capability and premium usability. This model serves as a specific mechanical configuration designed to resolve the long-standing conflict between vehicle width and high engine output. The first major hurdle Ford faced was a matter of space and power. They needed to deliver 400 horsepower without physically widening the vehicle's footprint. Previously, obtaining Ford's 3.0-liter V6 meant purchasing the Raptor. As this diagram shows, that added an 8-inch width penalty, making tight trails difficult. The Filson Edition bypasses that restriction. Ford slotted the Raptor's engine right into the sleeker four-door body. Ford gave this specific application its own engine tuning. It generates an estimated 400 horsepower and maintains a maximum towing capacity of 4,500 pounds. Drivers now have access to Ford's top-tier V6 performance in a package that fits in a standard garage lane and weaves through narrow timber tracks. Pushing that much power through a standard chassis requires serious foundational grip. That's why every Filson Edition uses the Sasquatch package as its mechanical baseline. You get front and rear lockers, Fox internal bypass shocks, and massive 35-inch rugged terrain tires. Managing all that hardware is Ford's terrain management system, which utilizes 7 driver-selectable GOAT modes to instantly adapt the throttle and transmission to the surface you're on. For tight environments, Ford included Trail Turn Assist. By utilizing digital braking, the system locks the inside rear wheel, allowing the entire vehicle to pivot sharply around tight trees. By layering digital braking over analog suspension, the Bronco executes complex maneuvers with minimal driver exertion. Inside the cabin, Ford established a specific design philosophy. The materials had to be undeniably premium, but never precious. If you are afraid to get the interior dirty, it doesn't belong in a Bronco. The engineering goal was an interior that wears in over time, rather than wearing out. They integrated perforated leather with Filson's rugged twill. As this video shows, mud and water hit this material and roll right off. They also built dirt-resistant removable saddlebags into the doors and cargo area, allowing you to pack your gear, unclip the bags, and carry them straight to your campsite. Yet, underneath those durable surfaces, this remains a refined environment. Ford utilized acoustic glass, improved airflow seals, and ventilated seats to create the quietest Bronco cabin built to date. This approach to luxury focuses on engineering materials that withstand the environment, rather than simply shielding the driver from it. The Filson collaboration is a permanent new trim level that goes on sale early next year, rather than a temporary production gimmick. This chart shows exactly where it sits in Ford's lineup. With an expected MSRP in the high $60,000 to mid-$70,000 range, it fills the vacant middle space between a loaded Badlands trim and the high-performance Bronco Raptor. On the outside, it distinguishes itself with standard field green metallic paint and exclusive trail sight tie-downs engineered into the hood for securing long gear like canoes or kayaks. For collectors, a launch-exclusive First Edition swaps the green for an iron sands copper metallic paint and includes custom serialized interior badges. By combining the footprint of a traditional SUV with Raptor-level horsepower and durable interior materials, the Bronco Filson Edition redefines the modern 4x4. It proves that raw capability and heritage luxury can exist without opposing compromises.